Welcome to UltraLights. My name is Ryan and I'm one of the engineers at UltraLights, and now we'll walk you guys through the cleaner side of our operation. At this location we perform powder coat, assembly, and shipping operations. In order to be painted, the metal must first be degreased and cleaned in order to achieve the best results. Once it's prepped and clean, all parts are hung on racks and they're staged for powder coating. Powder is applied evenly and then is sent to the oven to be cured. Once the parts have been cured for an appropriate amount of time, they're removed from the oven and then they're set aside to cool. Here we'll begin the assembly process. Cooled parts from the powder coat oven are staged in the assembly department, where they will receive their final touches. First, lamping is installed onto the fixture. For LED lamping, the LED boards are installed onto backplates for sconces and lamp boards for pendants. For incandescent or LED retrofit bulbs, lamp boxes and sockets are also installed onto the fixture.